Hi, my name is Scott Addison, and I want to tell you why, next to buying new, buying a Fitzway used car is best. As we know, buying a used vehicle can be a very risky proposition. It's risky not knowing the full condition of the vehicle. You hope the vehicle's not about to break down. You hope there's some kind of warranty, and of course that you're getting a good price. Well, Fitzgerald's value proposition addresses each and every one of these items to give you peace of mind that you're getting a good vehicle at a good price from a responsible dealership. The first thing we do with every vehicle is take a look at the auto history, and auto histories are great, but far from perfect. They do not get all the history, as many instances are never reported, and this may leave some buyers in the dark. What you need is a trusted source to physically inspect the car. And we inspect every vehicle in our new car service department. We put it up on a lift, and we put the vehicle through the Fitzway Comprehensive Inspection Checkout, which is a world-class process. We have taken the best vehicle inspections from all of our manufacturers to deliver you the Fitzway Comprehensive Checkout to ensure you have a fully inspected, safe vehicle. We will share with you what we inspected, what passed, what failed, and what was done to your vehicle to make sure it's a good car and a safe car. Our goal is to have you know as much about the vehicle as we do, so we can stand behind our cars. We stand behind our cars by offering our customers a 10-day, 500-mile return policy on most vehicles to give you confidence and peace of mind that you have a good and safe car. To make sure you have the right vehicle for your family, we extend this offer to exchange your vehicle for up to 30 days or 1,500 miles. That's peace of mind. Then we go another step further, and we offer a 90-day, 4,000-mile comprehensive warranty on most of our vehicles. We do sell a small number of vehicles as is at a lower price point for value-conscious customers, and they do not come with these benefits. You'll see them identified as Fitzway Value and Fitzway Handymans. Please take the time to review our massive inventory. Shop with confidence knowing that you are buying a good car and a safe car. That's the Fitzway.